too very shite or not. Anyway, I know I look a little frazzled. I've been doing stuff around the house, trying to get this place decluttered and winterized, and and if you want it done right, a girl's got to do it, right? Anyway, I'm going to give you some quick tips about Dollar Tree and what's going on at Dollar Tree. First of all, when you go and buy the light set and it says 5 feet long, does not mean 5 feet long. It means 5 foot of cord, and it means about 9 lights, and the rest cord. But it does make, for a dollar would expect, but it does make some really good accents in your living room around something. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you enter into, so it makes really nice centerpiece there or there. So it really does accent, and you don't have a lot of cord to worry about. So that aspect is really good, especially for a dollar. I think it looks very, very nice. So let's say you want to take these cords and you want to have them like along, like here. So what I came up with is I'll explain this all later, and you can just put it on there and they'll stay without having to use any nails or whatnot. I don't know if you can see that. And you can use decorative duct tape to use different colors, what you need, or the outside of your house, like on a railing or on the top of the house, like on a gutter. You could use them to latch onto. I didn't do a very good job with duct tape, but I just was in a hurry. But anyway, so then you can have it along the railing type thing. I'll explain to you what I use for that in just a second. So what these are actually pieces of pool noodle. The noodles you float on in the pool, and you just take it and you can cut it to desired width on what you need, because if you're gonna need, like, if it's a bigger cord or whatnot, you would need a thicker piece, or if it's like up on your eave of your house or whatever, you would need like a thicker piece of it up there. And you could either spray paint them the color of the cord, green, white, whatnot, and then simply use the pool noodle. You would slice it down the middle like that to put an opening, and then simply put your tape or spray paint, whatever, and then this would go on the cord. So I came up with that little hack myself, sitting on the toilet. I do my best work sitting on the toilet. I mean, I don't know, because things are coming out that end, things coming in, I don't know, but anyway, I know, TMI. Right now, and I mean run to Dollar Tree, because they friggin' sell out very, very fast. My hair is really here. Anyway, sell out very, very, very fast. They're carrying these little containers. I didn't actually know it had a hole in it, but it's kind of cool. They're carrying these just little light bulb looking things. My Dollar Tree maybe has about 25 left. I'm going to go up tomorrow and buy the majority of them so I can use them for a yard sale. And then they have different fairy lights. These are probably sold out because they probably didn't last very long, because they're really cool. And let me show you. They are little fiber optic lights, and then they have a whole bunch of garland. I like this garland because it's iridescent and it works better. So what I did was, I will show you, but the finished product looks like this. Looks like that. I think if you look real close, I don't know if you can see it, you can really see the iridescent pink and purples in there. I don't know if you're getting the cool gist of it, but you can really see the pinks and purples of the iridescent garland. And I think they make really cool decorations. You could even, I guess if you wanted to, put little eyes up here and a mouth for like a snowman. It's endless what you can do. I just like the light bulb look. Or just basically, and then you can trim down right here so it's not sticking out right there. Or you can actually put a piece of tape over top of it to keep it in. That's what I do. Anyway, So, voila. And I will show you how I made this. So when you first get it, when you take off the light bulb part, this is just loose. So what I did was I tied a knot in the end. Nice and big, so that's bigger than the hole that's in the top of the they put some where the rope is going to be. And then I again add some on the rope, like so. I put it all on the rope. Then I Whew. Okay. So, and then I simply pull it through and put that aside and let it dry for now. Next, what I do, after I put the back on this E67, because I don't want it to dry out, is I take my Dremel. I don't know what you guys use, but I take the Dremel, I glue all over me now, yuck, and I drill a hole in the bottom of the light bulb. If you know safety first, you should have glasses on while you're doing something like this. So, I don't know what you're using and whatnot, but since I'm using such a small Dremel and I have a small, God, look at my hair, small drill bit. God, I've been working really hard. I have to go in and make it bigger and bigger and bigger with screwdrivers and different drill bits and such until it gets bigger. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll get back. So if you get a set of lights and they won't go through the hole because they're so big, if you get them from the Dollar Tree, you simply pull off that part. And then feed it through the hole. And then once it's in the hole, you can replace the top to it. And then continue doing. You pull all of the stuff through the top. Wrap the garland around the wire. And shove it back in the top. Like so. Arrange it so how you like it with the lights all hanging out. Like I said, and I'm going to put a piece of tape right there so that this stuff doesn't come out. Just arrange it so you can see the lights however you want it. And then I'm going to take my E6000 and I'm going to glue this part on the back so that way you leave access to the battery part that you take off if you need to change the batteries, okay? And then once the glue is in place, simply, voila, and your decoration is complete. I think it makes a totally friggin' awesome decoration. And what did it cost? Okay, the batteries, you get 4 for $1. The lights, $1. And the bulb, $1. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the batteries is actually 50 cents because it's 2 for $1. So 1, 2, 3, $3.50. And your beautiful friggin' ornament for your tree or for your house or wherever you want outside. You can simply hang them outside. They make really great outside. Anyway, this is Shelly the Nut saying this is really cool shit from Dollar Tree. Do it yourself. Voila. Run to Dollar Tree and get these now before they're all gone. Subscribe to that channel. Stay tuned because I got more stuff coming out for holidays, especially cool gifts for kids. So, subscribe so you'll get a notification when I'm doing those cool gifts for kids. And I'll get you the lowest price. You know I will. I am the friggin' price guru. I get you the lowest price. So, come on. I'm doing the work. You can help me out. So, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, be safe.